Great day. And for today's reflection, I think, and I was thinking about this, there are really three things that you need to pray for. All of us need to pray for. One, peace of mind. Two, health. And three, revenue. So, in terms of peace of mind, you actually know it when you have it or when you don't have it. It's really hard to define. And health is something that is dependent on how we live our life. That's right. That's why it's really very important that when things happen that are not within our control, maybe it's God's way of redirecting us, moving us to the right direction. Maybe God wanted us to have a hiatus of some sort for the body to rest. And number three, revenue. This is extremely controllable. So that's why it's really very important for all of us to keep improving, learn new skills no matter what age you are in. The opportunities abound. It's just sometimes it seems that doors are closed. But who knows, maybe the door for you is closed right now because you're having a one-on-one with God. So remember that. So those are the things that are really important uh, that we need to pray for. And remember, God knows what's best for us. It may be hard, but the prayer in the Lord's prayers that says, "Your will be done," is really the best prayer we can have because, again, God knows what's best for us.